So there are three reasons why I like using this LED desk lamp. So one of them is just the ease of use because it's very light. It's easy to adjust, as you see the hinges on the bottom. So you can fold the lamp pretty easily. You can pretty much fully collapse it. You can do everything pretty much one-handed with this lamp because it's very light. And you can open the light, as you can see right here. It's all done with one hand. Of course, two hands will make it more sturdy, but it's very accessible. Second are the light options. As you can see right here, you can turn on the brightness by this little touchpad and change the light color, all with the touch. It's very easy to use, and you have a different light color or whatever you want for your needs, and the brightness is very good, very, very bright. And as you can see, I'm just flipping through these light modes very easily, and I'm easily adjusting the brightness with just sliding my finger on that little touchpad. And the third one is the USB port, which you saw earlier, is in the back, so you can charge something else on the back of this lamp. It makes it very easy to use on your desk every time.